Hi, I'm Dean Heckler, owner and president of Heckler Design. We're here showing off at InfoComm 2025 our Express Install tabletop stand and the Express Install rolling stand. Express Install is an initiative of Microsoft's to encourage more companies to put Teams rooms into more of their smaller meeting rooms. So these are hardware solutions to reduce the amount of labor to implement Teams in a small meeting room. Let's see. So here we have the tabletop stand. These support 43-inch to 55-inch displays, camera bars below, any kind of camera bar. We're showing a Logitech Rally Bar Huddle there. The touch display, the tap, rests on the table. The cable comes from underneath the base. So if you have a small room with a table shape that's appropriate for an end-of-table stand, you're all set. If you don't, if you have a small table, we offer a miniature rolling stand about the size of an office chair. The intent is you remove an office chair away from a pre-existing table and just roll this special stand up and into place. So very similar architecture to the tabletop stand, but extends to the ground, assembles toollessly in a couple minutes. Here we have the video bar and the tap. The tap is removable and can set up onto the countertop or onto the tabletop. And around back, very clean look. A panel removes to reveal our grid system, VESA 200, VESA 300 mounting, a simple global IEC compliant power strip. So all your integration is done there. There's enough room for a compute up high, universal mounting pattern, compatible with any kind of wall mount from any video bar manufacturer. So between these two SKUs, deploying Teams in a lot of small meeting rooms just became a lot easier. So for more information about Express Install stands, go to heckler.com. Thank you.